and thanks for joining me today for day 14 of our isolation. Oh, you sneezing. Charlie's just come in and he's sneezing. You okay? Oh, he's there going, shoo, shoo. Oh, can you hear him? Have you got cold? Oh, bless. What have I been doing today? Housework. Trying to catch up on the house, trying to keep myself busy. I have done a planner video, but I need to finish part of it, so I'll get that done tomorrow. So today is our crafty pick and mix, where I'll pick them today, and then tomorrow I'll get started with those projects. I'm also adding in tea bags and coffee filters. Just want to also say thank you to everyone who turned up yesterday for our live chat, and also some questions have come in for our questions and answers video for tomorrow. So if you have a question and you haven't asked it yet and you want me to answer a question for tomorrow, then please leave it in the comment box below. And it can be about anything. It don't have to be crafty. It can be about anything. We can have a little chit chat. So I've just added those two in. And we're going to pick the 5 out for the crafty pick and mix. I am nervous. I am still nervous because there are a few things in there. And actually, I don't know. Did I find it easy or hard? Not sure. It was a lot of fun though. And like I said, I'll pick these out. I'll do it tomorrow. And then if you guys pick your 5 out and leave them in the comment of tomorrow's video, then I know where to find them, and then I'll pick one of them by the end of the week. Some of you couldn't take part last week, but a lot of, oh, dropped on the floor. A lot of you did. So thank you, and I do understand you've got other things going on. So are you ready? I'm going to pick these out one at a time. So we've got 1, 2, oh, 3. Good me, good ones. Ooh, 4. Oh, I've just dropped one on the floor. I'll have it, the one off the floor. Right, you ready? I've got the 5 things here. First one is, oh, labels. We like labels. Second one is rubber stamps. Again, rubber stamps. I had rubber stamps last week. Oh no. Beads. Beads. Oh, a punch board. Any punch board that can be. Last one. Oh, jewellery. Oh, okay. So we've got punch board, jewellery, rubber stamps, beads, and labels. So there are, oh, you can't really see them, but there are 5 things for our challenge tomorrow, so that would be really interesting. So it is just a quickie today. I've been trying to catch up on housework and things really. So tomorrow we'll get down to some nitty-gritty crafting, okay? Lots and lots to do, so I hope that you're all okay and keeping well. It's been a bit colder here, actually. I've been a bit cold today. But this is a quick video, so I've picked out the 5 things for tomorrow, and I look forward to finding out what your 5 things are, and looking forward to your projects again this week, hopefully keeping you busy. And I'll think up some more ideas for some other things as well this week. So that's a big hi from me, from Charlie, Monkey Boy, who's down here. You can see his whiskers. Where's your whiskers? Oh, his little face. Oh, there's his ears. Just so that you know I'm not talking to myself. I could have been going, yeah, no one's really there. He is here, but you can't see him. He's a little beautiful boy. I shall see you all tomorrow for our crafty pick and mix challenge. I will get crafting and see how many, get my mind thinking. It's quite good actually pulling them today. It gives me overnight to think what I'm going to do. Jewelry and beads, that's a bit different. Rubber stamps and labels. What was the other one? Oh, punch board. Well, punch boards, we've got envelope punch board, word punch board. I've got my tab punch board. Oh, and my frame punch board. Which one am I going to use? See if you can guess right. I'll leave you with that, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So take care. Love you guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye from me. Bye from Charlie. Bye.